Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is actually the car is named as Slowrider. This is actually a Chevy Impala, and this is by Maisto. This is from their Adventure Force series, and this is actually Walmart exclusive. So I just this is my very first one in this particular series. So let's maybe I will just try the usual way. I actually bought this for a pretty neat price. I think around 400 rupees, I guess. So I'm happy on that part. Okay, so there is nothing else in the cart, so let's throw it away. So here is the casting itself. Okay, so let me tell you one thing, guys, about Maistos. So Maistos actually has a beautiful paint job. It doesn't matter how old it is. I never saw any issue with Maisto, paint job. So even this is in the blister. You can see it is going away because it is just something from the card. It is getting sticked here, but I don't see any issue with the paint job, like paint chipping or paint bubbling, anything like that. And this is a beautiful cherry red Chevy Impala. This is actually Lowrider, but they renamed it as Slowrider, maybe because of the size, I guess, the toned version. Okay, let's see. Even for me, this is new. Wow, the red is really beautiful. It's glittery red, cherry red. So I really wanted one in this particular color. Finally, I got it. Okay. So the body is fully metal, chassis is plastic. The windshields are plastic, but these are not see-through. These are like fully blocked out, fully like opaque plastic. And it has grill detailing here, the headlight detailing here, but those are chromed out. It is, and you can say I think these are turn indicators. Those are painted on, just really good. And it has tail light detailing also here, which is really nice. So think about this, guys. I bought it for somewhere around 400 rupees. So Mini GT is doing similar thing for somewhere around, in India it is priced around 899, I guess, or 849. Sorry, 849. That is MRP for Mini GT's Cube cars. So which is similar to this. I don't see much of a difference on this one. Maybe you guys can enlighten me why that is costing 450 rupees more. So, but the muscle machine series on Maisto, that you can't top that one, man. That is really awesome. If you guys never heard about muscle machines, go ahead and do a search. Even I did review on those some time back, uh, and I do have a lot more of the muscle machines. I will be unboxing those in coming days. Even I want to open and see how the recent one looks. Okay, this looks really cute and beautiful, and the paint job on this one looks so beautiful. I really wish every brand actually did something like this, and see, all these are my stores. I never had any paint issue on these things. So even this one is this exact cherry red, which is, I think there is also a Chevy Impala. No, that is a Cadillac. Sorry. So that one is also having similar paint job on like this one. So beautiful. Okay, so the wheels are actually plastic. This is not rubber or anything. That is actually really cute, man. It is sitting so low to the ground. That is really nice. I'm really happy I actually bought this one. Okay, let's weigh this casting. 35 grams. That is not really bad. Okay. See if this fits our track. It doesn't fit our track, but let's just roll here. It does roll really well. See, I really love this tuned versions. Maybe not by Hot Wheels because the very first time I actually bought tuned version of cars are by Maisto. So I instantly fell in love with those. So and I still again I did a review of those. Please go and see it. That you guys will love it. That's a set actually. The entire set I bought for 750 or something back then during 2015 or 2016. It had three cars: the Ford Mustang, Chevy. There was one more, I think Pontiac, if I'm not wrong. And I purchased a couple of singles as well. I don't know whether I did a review on those, but these three I did a review in one video. You can see those how detailed and how beautiful it looks. So this one actually looks so cute. I really want to keep it in my hand like as a pocket car. So maybe put it in a small box and carry it always. I might do that, I guess. So see, I am not going to rate this, guys, because I don't have anything to do a reference. Even though if I do rate this one, again I need to introduce a new rating scheme for this particular version. So I'm not sure how many of you guys are going to get this. So with that said, even if I want to do a rating on this one, I would give a 10 out of 10 because they did everything within this particular size. And the price is also less. So if you originally bought this in shops, this would have costed very little, like maybe around within somewhere around 200 rupees or so, not even more than that. So since I am buying it from Facebook and all, obviously the prices are a little bit pumped up. So nothing we can do. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.